Okay, good day everyone. I'm Jabba Regipoldi, and I'm here to discuss about the Alaska Milk Corporation and the types of their inventories and its functions. So, Alaska Milk Corporation or AMC is a manufacturer of milk products in the Philippines. Uh, its products are sold under the Alaska brand. The company also owns the Philippine Basketball Association or PBA team, uh, namely the Alaska Aces. Alaska milk products were first manufactured in the Philippines in 1972 through Holland Milk Products Incorporated, HOMPI, a partnership between AMC's former parent company, General Milling Corporation or GMC, an industrial foods company with interest in flour, feed, and soybean milling, and a Dutch dairy company. So as we can see here in the slide, these are the Alaska milk products product line composed of Alaska fresh milk, Alaska condensada, Alaska evaporada, uh, and etc. Alaska milk products have been a staple in the Filipino kitchen, providing delicious, nutritious milk products for households and businesses alike. Whether you are feeding a family, running a restaurant, or operating as an entrepreneur, there's an Alaska product to meet your needs. Because of course, Alaska milk products is much cheaper than its competitor, the Bear brand or the Nestle Bear brand. Types of inventories used. So first, the Alaska Milk Corporation inventories use the raw materials and purchase parts. These is used in the primary production or manufacturing of goods. Raw materials are commodities that are bought and sold on commodities exchange worldwide. Next is the work in process. Work in process, work in progress, goods in process, or in process inventory are a company's partially finished goods waiting for completion and eventual sale or the value of these items. These items are either just being fabricated or waiting for further processing in a queue or a vapor storage. Then, of course, the finished goods inventories. Uh, This refers to the number of manufactured products in stock that are available for customers to purchase. The finished goods inventory formula is an important inventory ratio that can be used to calculate the value of these goods for sale. Of course, should have a tools and supplies. As we can see here in the picture, these are the equipment that using during the processing of milk. So once your animal freshens and you are ready to milk, you need a specific set of equipment to make sure that precious fresh milk is the tastiest and safest it can be. Buckets, lids, jars, filters, strainers, separators. You can spend a lot of cash on these items if you choose a dairy supply store. Then the pipeline inventory. This refers to inventory items in the company's shipping chain that have yet to reach their final destination. These items are considered to be part of the shipper's inventory during their transit up until the recipient has paid for them. So let's go to the functions of inventory. The main function of inventory is to provide operations with an ongoing supply of materials. And then to achieve this function effectively, your business should strive to find a sweet spot between too much and too little without running out of stock. Of course, to meet customer demand, most of the company or all of the company wants to satisfy their customer, and then to protect against stock outs, to protect against price rises, mm, to develop policies, plans, and standards required so as to achieve the inventory. Of course, the effective running of stores, basically the maintenance of specified inputs, specified raw materials, finished components, parts, work in process, general supplies in sufficient quantities are maintained to meet the production requirements of the enterprise. Uh, Next, to ensure the time availability. And lastly, the pricing. Pricing of all input materials being supplied to various shops is essential for further cost estimation of final products. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening. Hope you gain some knowledge. Thank you.